2020 Ducati Superleggera V4 First Ride Review. The walls lining Laguna Seca's short but tricky front straight are like a bounce board for the 2020 Ducati Superleggera V4's exhaust note. The echoes are a nod to the motorcycle's racing roots, and the MotoGP comparisons grow stronger with every rev. And this isn't MotoGP driven. This is Ducati making a production bike without boundaries. And it's amazing. The Superleggera V4 isn't a factory Grand Prix bike, nor is it built as a homologation-special model aimed at asserting superbike racing dominance. It's purely a demonstration of Ducati's engineering capabilities, unencumbered by the need to conform to racing regulations. Nothing held back. It's built solely with an eye on perfection and uses a massive amount of exotic materials and technologies found only at the highest level of racing. But what's most impressive? That the Superleggera is a street-legal motorcycle, and even you could own one, should you be one of the fortunate few to reserve one of these limited-run machines. What you get is a motorcycle the Bologna-based manufacturer touts as the most powerful, fastest, and most technologically advanced production Ducati that has ever been produced. And it's pretty damn lightweight too. In fact, the Italian word Superleggera translates to super light. No wonder every bit of this bike is aimed at weight reduction without compromising performance. You can see Ducati's intent just by looking at all the exotic materials. The majority of the Superleggera's weight reduction is found in its chassis. The main front frame, subframe, and single-sided swingarm are all constructed of lightweight carbon fiber and collectively save 7.2 pounds in comparison to the already bonkers Panigale V4R while achieving optimized rigidity. Even the wheels are carbon fiber, produced by BST to Ducati's specification, and these shed another 7.5 pounds, vastly reducing rotational inertia, aiding acceleration and agility. Titanium bits are scattered throughout the Superleggera, including the straight-aisle V4 engine, where an additional 6.2 pounds are spared. Claimed dry weight for the Superleggera, equipped with its provided racing kit, is 335.5 pounds. Quite a number, to be sure, but note that this is with its 4.2-gallon fuel tank empty, engine and other parts drained of oil, and also missing the required battery. Expected to weigh roughly 370 pounds ready to ride. Impressive, nonetheless. Almost immediately, the Superleggera's relative lightness spoke to me as I weaved out of Laguna Seca's pit lane for the first of my 2 5-lap sessions. Turn-in effort and precision are like nothing I have experienced on a Ducati. The chassis and Öhlins NPX 2530 fork provide a level of feedback that is incomparable to any production bike I have tested. At maximum lean, every ripple and every bump is communicated through the chassis without upsetting the Superleggera's overall balance. It's a feeling I've only previously experienced on fully developed high-level race bikes, but this Ducati hits it spot on. Plunging 5 stories down the iconic corkscrew and into the high-speed rainy curve, the Superleggera snaps through side-to-side transitions with little more than a mental decision of when and where you want it to go. Power delivery